Hello lovelies, watch me install this micro passion twist from All Things Savvy. I love micro passion twist so much, but there is absolutely no way I'm going to sit for hours having my hair twisted, like the pain, the torment. Absolutely not. So I'm going to take a crochet install anytime, any day. I used 4 packets to achieve this style. I didn't completely finish the 4th packet, so it was more like 3 and then half of the 4th packet. You get what I mean? So I did like 4. Each time I crocheted the hair, I used like 3 to 4 pieces for the back of the hair. And then when I got to the front, I reduced it to make it look more natural. So I'll use like 3 pieces or 2 pieces, but I wasn't like installing like 1 piece each because these twists are really tiny. You can see from the video, they're really tiny. It was really easy to make, although my nails like posed a bit of a challenge because picking it up, because of how tiny it is, so it wasn't really the easiest to pick it up. But once I figured that out, everything was just smooth. It was just like a regular crochet install. I really loved how it looked at the end. So hope this video helps for you to learn how to install this hair if you ever get it. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you think in the comments.